Strategies, strategies, strategies. That's all you hear whenever you talk about success of digital marketers. And but what are the best digital marketing strategies and how they can actually work for your business? This is a really important question, right? How to be a great digital marketer. Hi guys, my name is Ishan and in this video I'm going to tell you the 4 tried and tested digital marketing strategies, plus by the end of this video I'm going to give you my pro tip and that work well for my business and it is must have if you wanna go digital marketing in today's world. Alright, now I know you must be searching for the right strategy for your business for too long, and everyone has their own opinion on marketing strategies, as what works for someone doesn't really necessarily work out for others. Okay, and as a beginner I know how hard it could be sometimes to decide what could be the right strategy, what could be the right path for your business, right? But don't worry, because the strategies that I'm going to discuss here today are universal, as you can apply them on any sort of online business, and moreover they are not any complex math. You can employ them to your day-to-day business activities and can almost double the conversions for your newly started business. Okay, but before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this so that you would not miss any of the update. So the very first strategy is I want to share with you is to create SEO optimized content. Yes, if you want your content to be visible anywhere on the internet, SEO is a thing that will actually help you. I mean, how can you ever drive sales if your audience does not know who you are, where do you actually exist? Okay, so to put your content forward, good writing skills and creativity is not just enough. What you really need to do is some research before you actually go and write about your content. Okay, for example, whether I am making this video or whether I am writing my article on my website, I do my research first. Since I am in a make money online niche, I first research what is the most commonly asked questions or problem in this niche, to which there is a very few amount of results for the audience. That is my competition for me. Okay, like for making this video alone, I found that many people of you are facing the problem in searching for the appropriate digital marketing strategies. So I decided to make a video on this topic. And this, my friend, is what we call is keyword research. And you can do it by yourself, or you can use some great tools available like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and SEMrush. And you can even hire SEO expert if you want. Now let's move to our second strategy, and which I think is quite powerful, and that is video content. Video content is the most compelling strategy nowadays. In fact, it is evident from researchers 79% of people say they have been convinced to buy any product or download a piece of software or app by watching a video, because they can actually see a demo over there, right? But keep in mind that prior research is really needed to create video content as well. Like if you want to make a YouTube video, do your keyword search, or if you want to using any other platform like Instagram or Facebook, do your hashtag research. Okay, and make such videos content that addresses some kind of problem of your audience. I hope you get that. Now let's move to our third strategy, and that is, which is pretty much I really like the most. It's my personal favorite, and that is email marketing. And you may be wondering like why it is my favorite. Well, try it yourself and you will know. Hint is like it has the highest ROI amongst the all promotional channels available out there. But before getting started with email marketing, you should have an email list built in your niche. And to know how to build an email list from scratch, you can watch my other videos. Link is must be mentioned in the description box below, or you can click on the I button above this video. And I want you to know that email marketing is a great strategy that doesn't just help you to promote your product or services, but it helps you in building a long-term reliable customer relations. It worked for me, it can surely work for you as well. And you can also find all the other helpful videos that you might be needing for getting started with email marketing on my channel alone. And subscribe, and because there's a lot of new stuff coming specifically in email marketing. Now on to the next strategy, and that is the fourth strategy, is social media. Yes, how can we not talk about social media in this list when it's the most influential power to ever exist on the internet? And who doesn't use social media today? So clearly you can find a mass of your audience there. And it is so important to do in the right on social media or you will get lost in the crowd, right? I hope I am making sense. So thanks for staying till this point. So now as I promised about my pro tip for you, so the number one would be understand the working of your particular channel you are going to use. Yes, you can use multiple social media platforms in the future, but if you're just getting started, I would really suggest to focus only on one particular platform to get started. Okay. Number two, choose a channel that most of your potential customer prefer. For example, people use channels like Instagram more for entertainment these days, but for any product reviews, they still prefer to go on YouTube. Okay. Now, number three would be create your content targeting your audience. All right. Again, you can look into my channel for more helpful videos regarding the social media marketing too. So do give them a watch and. With this, we have come to the end of this video. You can comment below and tell me if you have any questions or if you have any topic you would like me to cover in the next upcoming videos. And at last, if you found this particular video useful and if you like to be a part of my community, I want you to join my Facebook group. Link is already mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now, and I'm looking forward to hear from you there. Okay, thanks again. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.